Hello, my name is Ron Jones. I'm a process improvement specialist with Advanced Solutions. Today I'm going to be talking about the frame generator tool. It's one of the design accelerators located inside of Autodesk Inventor. So to navigate to this tool, what we're going to do is just go to the design tab, and then we can see this frame ribbon right here, these set of tools. So what this allows me to do is I can really start making tubular or even angled frames very quickly, a lot faster than the old workflow of, okay, let's bring all these individual members in and then constrain them together, and then I have to make my my detail drawings. I can do that's a lot more intuitive with this workflow. So what I have to start here is some sort of a reference skeleton, whether that's just a 3D sketch like it is in this case, or I could just have a regular part extrusion in here. As long as I have some edges or lines to select, I can begin to start inserting frame members. So I'm just going to go to this insert frame, and what this brings up is my insert toolbar, and I have a couple different selections I can make. First off, my selection is what standard do I want to use. For this demo, we're going to use ANSI. What family do I want to use? Do I want to use pipe, square tubing, rectangular tubing, even angle or C-channel? So I've got just square tubing selected here, and it's going to be 2 1/4 square by 1/8 inch, and it's going to be mild steel. The next selection I have is what orientation do I want to use? So where will these lines correspond with where my frame member is? And then do I need to offset that or add any type of an angle to it? So now that I've got all these settings, I'm literally just going to start clicking lines here, and it's going to populate this. We can see that it automatically populates it with what the member is going to look like. And it's just a matter of hitting OK. We can see all of the frame members it's going to generate as well as the cut lengths. So we can use this for our BOM. So just hitting OK is going to populate this, and we can see we've got some work to do though, because these edges don't quite line up and this leg intersects into our frame quite a bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these legs down to height. So it's just a matter of trim extend, and then I'm going to select this frame member and this face right here, and just hit apply, and we can see that it now cuts that frame down. So the next thing I need to do is I need to add a miter right here. So the typical workflow, if we were just doing this in the regular assembly environment, would be to, add a sketch, set that sketch at a 45-degree angle, and then make our miter. With this, it's just as simple as selecting the two. Do I want to put a gap in here? I'm going to say yes, I want to put an 1/8 inch gap, and hit apply, and we can see it's created our miter for us. So we've done that quite quickly. If I need to come back in here and make a change, I can just hit the change bar, and I can say, okay, I want to change this to, say, 3 by 3 by 1/8, and hit OK. It's going to produce a replacement file, and just like that, we've replaced that member. So we want to make sure that if we do have to change anything, we don't come in here and do it from the browser menu, that we're doing it from these frame generator tools that we have right here. We can also remove end treatments, get some frame member info, as well as refresh what we have. So that's just an introduction into the frame member generator. I hope this helps. Have a good day.